arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing reservation point negotiation. Reservation point negotiation is a type of negotiation where each party has a minimum outcome or reservation point that they are unwilling to go below. Now, before we continue, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important dispute resolution topics that can help you and your company keep customers happy while keeping costs low. So what exactly is a reservation point? The reservation point is the lowest point at which a party is willing to accept an agreement or walk away from the negotiation. It's important to establish your reservation point before entering a negotiation, as it can help you avoid agreeing to a deal that is not in your best interest. For example, let's say you're negotiating a salary increase with your employer. Your reservation point might be the minimum amount of money you need to accept in order to feel satisfied with the outcome of the negotiation. Similarly, your employer might have a reservation point for the maximum amount of money they're willing to offer you. By establishing these reservation points, both parties can work towards finding a mutually acceptable agreement. During the negotiation, each party will make offers and counteroffers until they reach a point where both parties are satisfied. It's important to remember that reservation point negotiation is not about trying to get the most out of the other party, but rather finding a solution that works for both parties. By being open and honest about your reservation point, you can help ensure that the negotiation process is fair and productive. Remember, by establishing reservation points and working towards a mutually acceptable agreement, both parties can walk away feeling satisfied with the outcome of the negotiation. So, what do you think about reservation point negotiation? Do you see it as a useful process to reach a fair agreement? Let us know in the comments section right now. To learn more information about different negotiation strategies, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. We do not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business would like to open a new account or case. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can receive updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.